Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. This is a simple review for anyone comparing practical products without wasting time. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Desktop Power Strip Grommet installs in your desktop's pre-cut grommet to charge and power up to 4 devices at that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Installs in pre-cut desk grommet space, designed for installation in your desktop's standard 60mm grommet. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Clean Protection features a clean protection coating that keeps your office and home healthier and happier. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the office setup looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.